after a power-packed first day, which saw Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal hold a fiery media briefing and then a mega roadshow where he launched scathing attacks at the Prime Minister and the BJP. The Aam Aadmi Party national convener has, according to sources, called a meeting of all AAP MLAs at the CM's residence in Civil Lines today. In this meet, he's likely to chalk out the next steps for the party and finalize the campaign strategy. In his first address in 51 days, Kejriwal accused Prime Minister Modi of wanting to decimate the AAP and alleged that all top opposition leaders, including Chief Ministers Mamata Banerjee, M.K. Stalin and Pinarayi Vijayan, and leaders like Tejasvi Yadav will all be put in jail if the BJP is voted to power again, that is.
एक बेहद खतरनाक मिशन चालू किया हुआ है प्रधानमंत्री जी ने, बहुत ही खतरनाक। देशवासियों को यह समझने की, अब जब मैं बोलने जा रहा हूं, समझने की जरूरत है। उस मिशन का नाम है वन नेशन वन लीडर। देश के सारे नेताओं को खत्म करना चाहते हैं मोदी जी, और इसको 2 स्तर के ऊपर इस मिशन को चला रहे हैं। जितने विपक्ष के नेता हैं उनको जेल भेजेंगे, और जितने बीजेपी के नेता हैं उनको सबको निपटा देंगे, उनकी राजनीति खत्म करते जाएंगे, उनको सबको निपटाते जाएंगे। विपक्ष के अंदर आज इन्होंने मनीष सिसोदिया को जेल भेज दिया, संजय सिंह को जेल भेज दिया, सत्येंद्र जैन को जेल भेज दिया, केजरीवाल को जेल भेज दिया, हेमंत सोरेन को जेल भेज दिया, ममता दीदी के कई मंत्रियों को जेल भेज दिया, स्टालिन के कई मंत्रियों को जेल भेज दिया, केरला के सीएम के पीछे पड़े हैं। अगर ये चुनाव जीत गए, मेरे से लिखवा लो एफिडेविट के ऊपर, थोड़े दिन के बाद ममता दीदी जेल में होंगी, तेजस्वी यादव जेल में होगा, स्टालिन साहब जेल के अंदर होंगे, पिनरई विजयन जेल के अंदर होंगे, उद्धव ठाकरे जेल के अंदर होंगे, जितने विपक्ष के नेता ये सारे जेल के अंदर होंगे।
Sabyasachi, my colleague, joins us for more. Sabyasachi, good morning. Clearly, we heard what Arvind Kejriwal had to say there, and no surprises for guessing this will be an all-intense battle, considering the fact that he's got this interim relief to be campaigning as well. But having said that, today we understand he's going to be having a very crucial meet. What do we know so far? And politically speaking, what can you tell us about the implications of this?
Well, absolutely. See, today the Aam Aadmi Party has planned several programs. See, right now I'm reporting live from the Aam Aadmi Party head office here in the national capital. Meanwhile, see a cycle rally. I'll request my camera person just to show you the visuals around. A cycle rally has been organized by the Aam Aadmi Party, which says that jail ka jawab vote se. Now today at around 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Today, where Arvind Kejriwal has called an important meeting of all the party MLAs of 62 Aam Aadmi Party MLAs would be present at Arvind Kejriwal's residence today. Now this would be the first meeting that Arvind Kejriwal would be holding after coming out of the jail. Now this meeting would be taking place at his residence at Civil Lines, where the discussion taking place surrounding the Lok Sabha polls here in the national capital, where the national capital would be casting their vote on 25th of this month. Now this particular meeting becomes extremely important because as per the sources, what we got to know is that in the coming days here in the national capital, there would be joint campaignings of the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress in several areas of the national capital to form up the strategy and how to take the attack to the BJP. This meeting has been called in. Now after that meeting, Arvind Kejriwal along with Chief Minister of Punjab, Bhagwat Mann, will be holding 2 important rallies here in the national capital to reach out to the people. Now the Aam Aadmi Party's main agenda is that in the past 10 years, the BJP has done nothing for the people of the national capital, and they have put the Chief Minister of Delhi behind bars, and they are attempting to crush the Aam Aadmi Party by putting 4 of their leaders behind bars. So this will be the main aim of the Aam Aadmi Party, to reach out to the people, to tell them how the BJP is continuously targeting the Aam Aadmi Party leaders.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.